Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Kate Spade haul. I was in Lancaster recently with my family on a little family vacation, and we stopped by the Lancaster outlet mall, and I had to go in Kate Spade because I love the designs that Kate Spade comes up with. They're always so crisp, clean lined, very chic, very elegant, very classic, and I had to go in. And much to my husband's dismay, I did not come out empty-handed. So if you would like to see what I ended up picking up at the Kate Spade outlet in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, then just keep watching. So let's begin with this big bag. I did pick up a few more things than I had anticipated when going in store. They did have 70% off sale going on at the time. It was kind of a good incentive for me to pick up a few things, and that sale is still going strong online. If you're interested in any of these things, I'll do my best to link them in the description bar in case you're interested. So while you know I love luxury bags, and I do have a few, I also love beautiful, affordable bags too. I'm a huge bag lover, and when I say bag lover, I mean all bags. And this is the most beautiful large tote bag. It comes with this beautiful little tag on the bag. I think it's so pretty with the little spade. And then up close, you'll see the gold Kate Spade, New York. I'm so giddy. Sorry, guys. So it has a back pocket, which is exactly where I love to put my phone. So this bag is called Heartfelt, and it's in the cream multi, and it's the large tote bag. I just thought it was so beautiful. So I'm really excited to have this. It does have the gold hardware. It has a nice smooth zipper. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what the inside looks like. Just trust me, my husband saw me come out with the bags and he was just kind of like, you look like you had fun. I was like, oh, I sure did. So he wasn't surprised at all. So here we have the interior, which is beautiful. So it has this leather tab that says Kate Spade, and then the interior, oh, it's beautiful. Nice cream. It says Kate Spade all over. Really pretty. So inside the bag, it has two slip pockets. And then on this side, it does have a nice big zipper pocket. Such a good size bag. Oh, it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. So that is the one bag I picked up. Go ahead and see what else I got. So this bag, in my opinion, is also just beautiful. I'm really excited. Again, all of these were 70% off. Not 100% sure all the pricing, but I will link them all down below in case you're interested. I want to say a 70% off sale on Kate Spade bags is a really good deal. I want to say I paid about $120 maybe, not 100%. This one I know I paid about, I want to say it was like $90, $89, $99, somewhere around there. Oh, it's so pretty. This to me is very sporty but classy, and it is so pretty with the little pops of color. I love the kind of gunmetal hardware right there. It's so pretty. I guess it's actually silver. It just looks a little deeper silver. I love the zipper pull. It's definitely a more sporty, casual type of bag, which I am so excited about. And I just love the blue with this gorgeous pop of yellow. It is so pretty. So this bag what is this one called? Okay, so it says it's the Chelsea color block, and it is so pretty. This is in the blazing blue, normally $300. I got this for $89.99 on the sale. That's a good deal. So really excited about this. I love a zipper pocket, or in the front or to the back. And this one has a nice little pouch for my phone on the back. Love that so, so much. And then this one has one in the front. I love this nylon material. So easy to wipe clean. I just love you can do this like a cute little crook of the arm bag. It also comes with this really great crossbody bag. I was talking to the sales associate. She was so sweet. And she's like, it has a crossbody bag, or it has a crossbody strap. And I was like, well, I need that in my life. So inside this pocket, nice big pocket, so pretty. Love that you can put something separate from the rest of your bag. And then here's that strap. And let's go ahead, take this paper off. I'm definitely not going all the way back to Lancaster, so I'm glad I love all this. No returns. So I'm just going to take this wrapping off. I love this. I love the blue. I love color block anything. It's so pretty. So let's look at the inside of this bag. Again, it has the really great Kate Spade lining all the way around. Beautiful. Has this great little corner pouch to put something there. I almost feel like maybe a water bottle. It would have to be a small one. There's a couple pouches. Oh, this actually has a snap pouch, which is really nice. So that's a snap, a large pocket. I love that. That's great, right? Nice snap pocket there, and a large zipper pocket there. So, so nice. Love this bag. Okay, I do want to see what this crossbody strap looks like. Of course, you see it in store, but I was waiting to unbox this with you guys. I didn't want to start pulling everything out until I could show you guys as well. So there is the beautiful silver hardware, easy to attach, just like that. I love the colorway. The color blocking on this is stunning. I absolutely love these colors. They go together beautifully. This is so pretty. I love that it's casual, but it looks very classy and chic. Love this so, so much. So then, of course, this one attaches here, and you can adjust this for your shoulder or as a crossbody bag. So pretty. I'm in love with both of these. Let's go ahead and see what's in the other bag. So these are my two new bags from Kate Spade. Really excited, really, really excited about those. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So I did pick up this cute little makeup pouch because I love for things to match. This is so cute. I could not help it. Has the stuffing in here. Of course, it also has the color blocking. And I love the shape of this. So, so cute. So it's just one large interior. Put all my little makeup in here. And I love that it matches the bag. So pretty with that color story, color blocking. Really excited about that. I also ended up, because I spent, I want to say over $150, you get a free Kate Spade tote bag. So I did end up getting this for free, which who doesn't love a free tote bag? So I was excited to get this. I'll definitely enjoy using this. I love tote bags like this. I usually end up keeping them in my car, and that way I can have a bag to hold things. I love this. It's really, really pretty. Nice little free gift, additive, little add-on. And then I also ended up getting this beautiful, gorgeous box, but it had the matching Kate Spade wallet to go with the gorgeous heart cream bag. So this is just a beautiful card holder on both sides. And then it also has great little coin pouch on this side, which is great. And I'm really excited to have that. And one last thing I picked up there, and that was this adorable AirPods holder. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. So I was actually looking, there's actually a heart, which I saw online. And it's so pretty. And that was the one I was looking for when I went into the outlet. And they said this was the only one they had. And I thought, well, that's cute too. But I'll link the heart one in case you're interested in that one. It is online. But you just put your AirPods in there. And then there's your little lid. You can attach it to a bag, or you can attach it to the interior of your bag. It is so cute. It says Kate Spade, and I'm excited to put my AirPods in here. So cute. Really excited about my little outlet haul. It was definitely not planned, but I think it turned out really, really nicely. I'm really excited to have these two bags in my collection. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Like I said, if you're interested in any of this, I will try my best to link it all for you in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, don't forget to like it, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.